Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is test class. Test classes are piece of code used to evaluate other pieces of code to ensure everything is functioning correctly and reliably. It helps maintain code quality, ensures smooth deployments, and meet Salesforce code coverage requirements. Creating test class in Salesforce is crucial to ensure that our code maintains the code quality. To start, we can build robust and reliable Salesforce applications by creating meaningful test data. Syntax @is test. This is an annotation. Private class, class name, my test class. Then @is test static void my test function. This is the name, and then in curly braces we need to write the code block, and after that we need to close the curly braces. Check test class code coverage. Setup, build, develop Apex classes, run test. System.assert equals function, what it's doing. It is used to validate whether two values are equal or not. Basically, it is used in the test method. This method asserts that the first two arguments x and y are the same. If they are not, runtime exceptions are thrown. Benefits of Apex unit tests: ensuring that our Apex classes and triggers perform as expected, meeting the code coverage requirements for deploying Apex to production or distributing Apex to customers via packages. High quality apps delivered to the production org, which makes production users more productive. Test classes and test methods verifies whether a particular piece of code is performing properly or not. Minimum test coverage required to deploy to production is 75%. Method test.start method is used to start the test. Method test.end method is used to end the test. To check the code coverage for trigger, trigger must be active. Example, creating an Apex class to insert an account record along with its corresponding test class with code coverage percentage. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. And to write the code, just we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. Creating a new Apex class by the name test class. Click OK. So here public class test class is the name of our class. Method to insert an account record, public void insert account, and in this we are passing string account name, string phone, string industry. Account ACC equals to new account, name account name, phone phone, industry industry. Then we are inserting ACC. This. So for this class we are writing the test class by the name test class test. Here we are putting the annotation @is test, public class class name @is test, static void test insert account. This is the method. String test account name. Here we are providing test account a random data. String test phone. This is the number. String test industry technology. Create instance of the service class. So test class, creating service, new test class. Call the method to insert the account. Service dot insert account. Test account name, test phone, test industry. Query the inserted account. Account inserted account equals to select ID, name, phone, industry from account where name equals to test account name, limit 1. Verify that the account was inserted correctly. System.assert not equals null inserted account. Account should have been inserted. Next, system.assert equals test account name inserted account dot name. Account name should match. System.assert equals test phone inserted account dot phone. Account phone should match. System.assert equals test industry inserted account dot industry. Account industry should match. Save this test class. So at the right side we are seeing a run test. So click on this run test. Running test synchronously. Then again coming to our class. Here we are seeing code coverage. There is a drop down. So we need to click on our method test class test insert account. Click on this. We are seeing that 100% code coverage. Like this we are writing test classes. Thank you.